Hey there! Today, we're tackling a common problem that many Excel users face. You know, the kind of problem that makes you scratch your head and wonder how to approach it. In this case, we're dealing with a closed question that's off topic and not accepting any answers at the moment. Sounds like a real head-scratcher, doesn't it? Now, let's dig into the solution that can save the day. The Excel Power Query is here to rescue you from the abyss of unanswered questions. By loading the table to Power Query and following a simple series of steps, you can easily group your data based on specific columns. Just set the Inc ID column and date raised as the basis for grouping, select Count Rows as the operation, and voila! Your data is neatly organized and ready for analysis. A problem solved with a few clicks. In summary, we've explored a clever solution to a common Excel problem that can leave users feeling stuck. By utilizing the power of Excel Power Query, you can efficiently group your data and derive valuable insights. So, go ahead, give it a try, and say goodbye to data organization woes. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below with your favorite Excel hack. Happy analyzing!